Can I get inside? Is it travel motor here?
You can show everything.
Okay.
Everything, it's allowed.
Wow. You
And
got some...
These two. Somebody might steal the patent.
Wow.
But
And
you can show.
you made all this yourself?
Let me cut the light so you can film there. Okay.
You made all this by yourself?
Look, why you have to have two lights when you can have one? One from here, this direction, and I want from this direction too. So here we are. Why not, if it works?
Yeah, I see. This is a homemade studio for sure.
From Casey Neistat, I stolen ideas for animation.
I can see the organization.
And then all this.
Oh, and you do cartoons and other videos here? Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
This is from Casey Neistat.
Yeah, I know Casey Neistat. He's a big inspiration for many. Wow. Okay, man, you're the real one. The Casey Neistat of Greece. Man, you have so many copies, but also.
Okay. Why I didn't appear like this from the beginning?
Yeah, I think that should be how you were waiting for me. I can see you have the feelings on for me.
This is not copy. It's my idea. This is a thumbnail. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. For the thumbnail.
Yeah. You wanna stand somewhere? There. Maybe behind the desk, with the desk behind you, so you look very professional.
Okay. So
yeah. So you look like Casey Neistat actually.
Let me cut the lights. Okay. The thumbnail.
I like it.
Okay. Now I cannot deal with this shit anymore. So.
Yeah. I want the person back again.
Joke. This is for my motorcycle travel.
So they can see you in the dark and don't run you over.
Okay.
I see.
So this is my studio. I was telling you to come here.
I can see you have written a lot of stuff on the wall.
I think my
wow.
My friend who comes here, she's an artist, and I asked her once, what should I do without to pay money to make it interesting? And she told me, why don't you write the quotes that you love so much, the quotes?
That also motivates you.
Remind yourself.
Nice.
You know?
I like that.
It's mixed. Greek with...
People think you're crazy if you talk about things they don't understand. Very true.
So this was an idea from my friend.
Well, I can
from here.
Oh, that's the girl. Okay.
She's an artist with the fashion and all this, so she knows. She gave me the idea, so I made this very easy. Just I needed many marks, like 30 euro in marks.
Yeah. Lessons and ideas and
the marks. I mean.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
Πώς λέγεται μελάνι?
I don't know, man. I think it's
The ink.
The color from the pen.
Ink.
Yeah.
Ink.
Ink.
So here we are.
Both in Greek and in
Risk
English.
taker, action taker, fail fast and win big. This is good, my favorite. That's why I have it around.
Yeah.
Fail fast and win big.
Yeah.
That means the rule 2080.
Yeah. The Pareto rule. I know that one.
This quote will send you to be smart here. You will appear to be smart here.
Yeah, because the lessons are dropping in a lot faster from your mistakes.
Yes.
So you're learning quicker.
And the mistake will give you data.
Yeah. So you can make the right decision afterwards.
I
like that. Amazing, man.
So.
And you're living by all these quotes?
Yes.
Like you truly believe in them?
Yes. They're inside, not in the surface. That's me.
Nice.
That's a pieces from other people who I put them all together and it's me. Bruce Lee has άποψη.
Nice. Very inspirational, man. I love your workspace.
So
it gets the ideas flowing in here.
Jonathan, let me introduce myself to your audience.
Yeah, of course.
Jonathan came here. We are living in the same town. We did not know each other. Leave it real, just shake, leave it real all.
Okay.
We didn't know each other, so we It's our first day here
First day meeting.
as a friend. Already friends, I know.
And we're living in a small village, but we have the same interests in
Yes.
some areas at least. So that's great.
He is coming from Denmark. He was living there. I'm from Japan. Okay, my eyes are a little bit
You see that?
round, but big. But I'm from Japan somehow. So
Here we are.
Flag. I'm YouTuber as well, like Jonathan. So
Well, you're a big YouTuber in front of me. I'm just starting.
huge. I'm huge. I'm
Yeah.
huge. Okay.
Please, travel
So-
model, man.
Yes. So he came here to exchange some ideas and make some video. One
Videos.
video we did before, which is very
But this is the beginning of many great things, I hope.
yes. Let's
Good
push it
things are
to the
coming.
let's push it to the limit.
Uh-huh.
This shit, you know.
I would love that, man. I would
We
love
have
it.
the drone. I will show you later how you can fly it because I know very well. I'm an expert.
Okay.
Many years with.
Can't wait to see that, man. I can't wait to see that.
My videos, if you see my channel, it's amazing with drones and this and.
Okay, you do
everything.
cinematic stuff
Yes,
and
yes.
man,
Many years.
I love that
I
stuff
have, that's why I have almost 100,000 subscribers.
because of the footage.
Don't feel me like this.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah, I was, I was getting caught up in everything you were saying to me.
Just a joke. So, this is the first visit here in this studio, and this is the first thing of a big thing. The first it started.
We just planted the seed, I guess.
Okay.
We just planted it.
And,
Now the tree's gonna grow.
That's for sure.